Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover software with Oracle detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Oracle database management system. Ensure you have a valid backup of your database before starting the recovery process. Identify the specific issue that necessitated the recovery. Access the command line interface for Oracle. Log in as a privileged user to perform recovery tasks. Use the command show parameter control_file to locate your control files. Verify the status of your data files with the command select * from $data file. If necessary, identify any files that are offline or missing. Prepare to use the Recovery Manager, or RMAN, for the recovery process. Start RMAN by executing the command RMAN *. Connect to the database using the appropriate credentials. Run the command run to indicate the start of your recovery session. If you're restoring from a backup, use the command restore database. After the restore, execute recover database to apply any necessary transaction logs. Monitor the process for any errors or alerts that may arise. Once recovery is complete, validate the database status using select open under. If the database is in the correct mode, open it using alter database open. Verify the integrity of the recovered data by running relevant queries. If everything is functioning correctly, back up the database to prevent future issues. Finalize the recovery process by documenting each step you took for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.